Basically just dirt road, man. Going in, we're about half a mile away.
On the first Saturday of November 2025, I made it out to the Open Fire Meetup 2025. It is the largest and most popular social media barbecue influencers and pitmasters event in the world. It was being held at the Barn Quail Crossing Ranch in Hondo, Texas, which is about 200 plus miles north of my home.
In the entrance, this is the teams that are competing.
This event drew 26 teams from 22 different countries, showcasing its diverse range of open fire cooking styles. Going in, I received 3 tokens to give to the team or teams of my choice for the People's Choice Awards. This was a separate award from the judging competition where 5 teams would make the finals and the top 3 would be awarded. It was a big turnout. The event actually sold out and there was lines in many of the teams' booths to try out the food. A ticket would get you access to the event, all you can eat food, and 3 tokens to give out to the teams of your choice. All the big names in barbecue were there, and I'm sure you'll see some in the video, but I thought I'd just walk around first before I'd start trying out the food. It was a hot Texas day and there was a lot to see and take in. All sorts of brands were here, to include influencer brands like this one right here. I'd never seen a chud box in person before, so it was pretty cool checking it out. Okay, so the hot Texas heat was affecting my phone, so I better get some footage of the food. Let's head to the food court. Excuse some of the video stuttering. Like I said before, the heat got to my phone camera. I'll place the team's names and the dish they were serving on the left corner and the influencer / pitmasters that were part of the team on the right corner as I do my walkthrough. Now the Oktoberfest pork really looked juicy, but I didn't get to try it. There was a lot to see and do, like I mentioned before, and so I moved on quickly.
Team Pro Pit from the Valley. How's it going? Can I try the food? Let's give it a try. I think they got some. So this is what's known in the Valley as beef stew.
The carne guisada was nice and tender with the spices of garlic, onion, comino, really good beef stew here. Peach habanero pulled pork. It may sound hot, but it wasn't spicy at all. Nice and tender, great flavor to it. I really enjoyed this dish.
Jared! What's going on, buddy?
What up? Yeah, I would make sure. Don't get
Team Cosmos was serving beef short ribs 3 ways. I got one that was
what is this, Jared?
sweet and tender.
Ordered smokers, trying out some beef ribs.
Team Yodered Smokers was initially serving oxtail, but I think they ran out by the time I got there, so I got some short ribs. A good salt, pepper, garlic flavored, great tasting short rib. I also got to hang out with the guys from Black Smoke Barbecue Podcast. Brandon and Alton definitely made it fun. Go check out the podcast as well as their YouTube barbecue channels.
It's been a hot day, man. My camera was overheating. Look at all these people out in the sun. And then you can see my buds up here from the Black Smoke Barbecue Podcast in the shade all day. I'm telling you, man, when you got it, you got it. What you got cooking there, bud?
Alligator. Full of smoked alligator. Got some boudin, pork belly at the bottom.
I'm telling you, it was cool seeing all sorts of meat being cooked. Definitely something unique in just about every booth you looked at.
Oh yeah. Big Hobbs barbecue. This is what's left of the steer. Look at this. Can we tear a little bit from the thing? Maybe. There's Hobbs team out there. Look at that. I'm telling you, man. Even that party season. Huge festival out here. A whole bunch of booths. It's pretty cool, man.
And so I think this team was initially serving Chivo sliders, but they might have ran out,
this
so they
one's my
started
favorite
serving
one. I
beef
think I'm gonna give them
ribeye.
at
Now,
least
who
one
doesn't like
token.
ribeye?
Oh, the spinalis. Beautiful taste.
Now, it was already 3:30 p.m. and the judging would end at 4 p.m., so I grabbed a few more bites of ribeye before I wandered off to a few more booths. Now, I did go to a few more booths, but this was the last one I filmed. For those that are interested, I'll have the results of the judges and the People's Choice Awards at the last part of the video. And so I did the last taste test, then I went to go get those free samples some of the companies were giving out. It was really a cool event. I'm definitely coming back next year.
Check out this. They're Weber grills, and it's a Weber grill Ferris wheel. I have 2 left, but oh well. Didn't have just it in me to be in the hot sun. Or given this last 2, it's just so hot.
This year's Open Fire
Texas
meetup was the
sun,
biggest one yet. It was
fun.
fun having
I
this
got myself
opportunity to be amongst
some
all
goodies.
this amazing talent.
Let me show you.
Congratulations to all the winners. Well, that's all for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and share if you haven't already. I hope you guys and girls are doing great. Let me know if you all are going next year and maybe we can hang out. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other.